What's up, guys? We are back here with another everything's regular video, man. Back in the garage. We gotta clean this thing up. When we come back, it's like legit type stuff everywhere. But without further ado, man, it's time to go get the vet washed up. We haven't cleaned that thing in forever, and then it rained on top of that, so like it's super dirty right now, to say the least. After that, we gotta go to Carmax and try to get an offer for the vet and see what they'll offer me. Like I told you guys yesterday, looking into a new car or a truck, so we'll see what we can do. We'll see what they offer me. If they give me a good enough offer, then hey, we'll probably go with that and you know, probably get something here soon. So let's check it out and go on about our day. Alrighty, and here you guys see it. Look at the dirt on it. Swear it never fails. Like, this black is just something different, boy. When it gets dirty, it gets dirty. But without further ado, it's probably maybe the last morning run. Last time hopping in this thing this early, judging if they gave us a good offer or not. So we'll see what happens, but let's push to the car wash and get this thing cleaned up. Alrighty, just pulled up. This thing is dusty as heck, man. We are gonna get this thing cracking and get it all cleaned up, man. So I'm gonna set y'all up and we're gonna be good to go. Alright, man, we got this thing cleaned up, and let me tell you, man, when this thing is all shined up, the last thing I'm thinking about is giving this thing up. But I know I will be getting something better, and this thing just looks great, and I can't wait for what's next to come. And then after that, we'll probably have like a C8 or something by then, man. Who knows? So just gotta keep working your way up, man. Don't be afraid to, you know, take those chances, and chances make champions. So let's get this thing all loaded up and get on our way. Alrighty, guys, we just made it to Carmax. Now we're gonna get this thing started up. so they can get an appraisal and we can see how much they're gonna give us, if they give us anything. So stay clean, dog. Yes, sir. Look good. Alrighty guys, as for the 2011 Silverado that we went to go see at Copart the other day, you guys remember the damage? It was damaged in the rear end. It looks like it might have been hit in or somebody shot at the car, but other than that, we didn't really see no damage from that. He was looking at the auction yesterday. This Silverado sold for $10,200. It has 222,000 miles, and it was being sold by I believe Progressive Insurance. But all in all, pretty fair car. Was a really good deal. I just had something better in mind, man. So with that being said, stay tuned. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. It is like 4:30. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. 4:30 in the morning, man, and it's a new day. We went and got the quote for the vet back there, but the dealership, we still haven't got our title yet for the vet, our actual title. Yeah, it's been months, so I don't know what is up with that dealer or what type of games they're playing or what's going on. But with that being said, man, I think it's just gonna sit up, but I'll let you guys know what offer we got. And this is the offer we got, guys. $24 measly $1,000. Yeah, I might try to sell it private sale, to be honest. What's up, guys? Next morning here, and man, it's time to go out of town again, dog. You guys know what happened last time we went out of town, hints. But it's time, man. Let's get it. So alrighty, guys, that's probably gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. We tried to go get rid of the Corvette. We didn't have the title. We couldn't get rid of it, so we just gotta wait and hang on to it for a little bit longer. But you know, it is what it is. So sorry for the short video today, but it is what it is. They offered me way lower than what I expected, so I'm probably gonna sell it privately. I don't know just yet, but we'll see what happens, man. Just stay tuned for the next video, man, because if you noticed, I'm sitting in the airport, man, and let's just say we're going to check out something nice, man. So stay tuned for the next video, man, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.